Investing is a powerful tool for building wealth and achieving your financial goals. But many young people are hesitant to get started because they don't know where to begin or they think they don't have enough money to invest. However, it's not too early or too late to start investing, and you don't need to be a financial expert or have a lot of money to get started. In this video, we'll cover the basics of investing, key terms such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, the importance of diversification, and how to create a diversified investment portfolio. We'll also offer guidance on researching potential investments, selecting stocks to invest in, setting investment goals, creating a long-term investment strategy, and minimizing the potential risk associated with investing. Before you start investing, it's important to understand the basics. Investing involves putting your money into assets such as stocks, bonds, or real estate with the expectation of generating a return over time. There are different kinds of investments, and each has its own risks and potential rewards. Stocks are shares of ownership in a company, and owning stocks can give you a share in the company's profits. Bonds, on the other hand, are essentially loans made to the company or governments, and owning bonds can provide a fixed income stream. Mutual funds are a collection of investments, such as stocks or bonds, that are managed by a professional fund manager. Diversification is an important aspect of investing that can help you to reduce risk. Instead of putting all your money into one investment, you can spread your money across different investments, which can help to protect your portfolio from the ups and downs of the market. When creating a diversified portfolio, it's important to consider a variety of factors, such as your investment goals, risk tolerance, and types of investments you want to include. A well-diversified portfolio should include a mix of stocks, bonds, and other types of investments. Before investing your money, it's important to research potential investments thoroughly. This can involve reading financial reports, following market trends, and analyzing company financials. You can also consult with a financial advisor or investment professional to get advice and guidance to potential investments. When researching potential investments, it's important to consider factors such as the company's financial health, growth potential, and competitive landscape. You should also pay attention to market trends and economic indicators that could impact the performance of your investments. To be successful in investing, it's important to set clear investment goals. Your goals should be specific, measurable, and realistic. For example, you might set a goal of saving $10,000 in 5 years, or generating a certain amount of percentage return on your investment. Having clear investment goals can help you stay focused and make informed decisions about your investments. It's also important to regularly review your progress towards your goals and adjust your investment strategy as needed. One of the keys to successful investing is to have a long-term investment strategy. Investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme, and trying to time the market or make gains quick can be risky. Instead, focus on building a diversified portfolio that can generate returns over the long term. When creating a long-term investment strategy, it's important to consider factors such as your investment goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. You should also have a plan for regularly reviewing and adjusting your investment strategy as needed. If you're interested in investing in individual stocks, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, do your research and select stocks that align with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Look for companies that have a strong financial track record, a competitive advantage in their industry, and a solid growth plan. It's also important to diversify your stock portfolio by investing in a variety of industries and companies. This can help to reduce your overall risk and protect your portfolio from market fluctuations. While investing always involves some level of risk, there are some ways to minimize your exposure to potential losses. One strategy is to invest in a mix of different types of investments such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, as we discussed earlier. Another strategy is to regularly review your portfolio and adjust your investments as needed. This can help you to stay on top of changes in the market and ensure that your investments align with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Diversification is one of the most important aspects of successful investing. By spreading your money across different types of investments, you can reduce your overall risk and protect your portfolio from market volatility. One way to create a diversified portfolio is to invest in a mix of stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. This can help to ensure that you have exposure to different types of investments and that you're not overly reliant on any asset class. Another way to diversify your portfolio is to invest in different industries and sectors. For example, you might invest in companies that operate in technology, healthcare, financial, and energy. This can help to ensure that your portfolio is not too heavily concentrated in any one industry or sector. You can also diversify your investments by investing in different geographic regions. This can help to protect your portfolio from political and economic risk that may be specific to a particular country or region. When creating a diversified investment portfolio, it's important to remember that there's no one-size-fits-all approach. The right mix of investments will depend on your individual investment goals, risk tolerance, and investment horizon. Before investing in any stock, bond, or mutual fund, it's important to do your research. This can help you to make informed investment decisions and avoid costly mistakes. One of the best ways to research potential investments is to read up on the company or fund's financial statements. This can help you to get a sense of the company's financial health, earnings, growth, and debt levels. You can also look at the company's industry and competitors to get a sense of its competitive position. For example, you might look at a market share, product innovation, and pricing strategies to get a sense of how the company stacks up to their peers. In addition, you can look at analyst reports and financial news articles to get a sense of what experts are saying about the company or fund. This can help you to get more well-rounded perspective on an investment and its potential risks and rewards. Before investing any money, it's important to set clear investment goals. This can help you to stay focused and make informed investment decisions that align with your long-term financial objectives. When setting investment goals, consider your investment horizon, risk tolerance, and financial objectives. For example, if you're investing for retirement, you may have a longer investment horizon, and you might be willing to take more of a risk. On the other hand, if you're investing for a short-term financial goal, such as a down payment on a house, you might have a shorter investment horizon and be more focused on preserving your capital. Whatever your investment goals may be, it's important to set clear and specific targets. This can help you to track your progress and adjust your investment strategy as needed. Once you've set your investment goals, it's important to create a long-term investment strategy that aligns with your objectives and risk tolerance. One key element of a successful investment strategy is diversification. As we discussed earlier, by investing in a mix of different types of investments, industries, and geographic regions, you can reduce your overall risk and protect your portfolio from market volatility. Another key element of a successful investment strategy is a regular review and adjustment. By regularly reviewing your portfolio and adjusting your investments as needed, you can ensure that your investments remain aligned with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Investing might seem scary at first, but it's an essential tool for building wealth and securing your financial future. By following the tips and advice outlined in this video, you can start investing with confidence, no matter your age or income level. And remember, it's never too early or too late to start investing. Whether you're in your teens or approaching retirement age, there are investment options available that can help you to reach your financial goals. By setting realistic investment goals, diversifying your portfolio, and minimizing risks, you can build a solid investment strategy that will pay off in the long run. Don't forget the power of knowledge. The more you learn about investing, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions. Take advantage of the wealth of resources available to you, from online courses and books to financial advisors and investment apps. So start in your investing journey today and develop those wealthy habits that will help you to achieve financial freedom and security. Thank you for watching, and we wish you all the best of luck.